Well, this trip begins, as so many do, in the airport. Early on a Monday. Headed to Anaheim, California.
Early in the morning, you'll remember all the words just right. If you never wanna be a silhouette, you've got to find your light. For 40 days and 40 nights.
You tempted me.
It's my fault. Brian never met a donut he didn't love.
Yeah, you got to walk before you run. Hey son, go to California, dance with the angels, dress how you wanna. Anyway, just like the river starts with the raindrop, you'll make it better.
Enterprise bus just blows right by. Rude. Welcome to Los Angeles. Brian, how do you know that's your suitcase if it's camouflaged?
How did you see my suitcase?
Exactly.
So call me when you're close and you feel them city lights. Don't let the voices in your head talk to you, know they tell you lies.
9:36 a.m. and we just saw our first guy peeing on a building. Yay, California!
One day you're gonna look back how far you've gone.
Because we come to Southern California with some regularity, we have our places that we have to go to, and one of those is Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles.
Anyway, just like the river starts with the raindrop, you'll make it better.
I have never, and I mean never, had a bad meal at Roscoe's. Always thumbs up. To the venue! We have found what will be our home here at the Honda Center. Apparently this is a switch in things. It's a big room. A couple of things that we don't usually have. A is a bathroom and B is a water source, so that can make coffee a challenge. But we won't let it beat us. Won't. All right, for an introduction, my name is Steven and I do live production all over the country. Now, I don't usually do daily videos, but this is gonna be a bit of an exception. I am in Anaheim, California for a week, and we are doing a humongous conference here that will kick off on Friday night. Today is load-in day. That means everything that is needed for this conference in the way of audio, video, and lighting. This place just becomes a big anthill of activity while we get everything loaded in and ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4! Yeah, see? It's much lighter. I feel a spring in my step. We're having a little fun right now because Brian set up these computers with the passwords, but now he can't remember what it is. I know what it is, but I'm not telling him. Oh, you figured out?
Yeah.
How many tries? 6?
Maybe, because I was like...
6.
It goes out of here into there. So that's a gazenta, and that's a gazalta.
It has really been a long day. I'm so tired. Punch drunk. Hashtag punch drunk. Here's what it comes down to. The reason that I decided to go daily this week is that I just think it's so cool that it takes so many people, so many hours, and so much gear to make an event like this come together. And it's just kind of cool to be able to show you the process of how it all works. For instance, this is the stage. This comes in so many pieces and has to be assembled just like that on site in the middle of the house. Eventually, that will get shoved over there in its final place once all the lighting, sound, and video stuff is set up. All this is extra lighting that will go way up into the ceiling and is all controlled by my friend Chip right back there.
Hi, I'm Chip.
Hey son, go to California, live with the angels, love who you wanna.
It's all gonna come together a little bit more every day until we kick off on Friday.
No problem. Need a hand now. I'll be there now, just like I taught ya. Anyway, who says you can't?
This here's the time of day when we don't remember where we came in the building. We're in so many different buildings that they all kind of look the same. We came down an elevator, remember that.
Hey son, go to California, dance with the angels, dress how you
So anyway, thanks for coming along on day 1. See you tomorrow.
Anyway, who says you can't go where you wanna? California.
He's got a Segway to ride. He's got a Segway to ride.